Hello friends, welcome to Code Like a Pro. I'm Shailen, and in previous video we have seen how to write a Fibonacci series program in C++. And in this tutorial we are going to write a program to calculate factorial. For example, 4. Okay, so tell me one thing, how can we calculate? We will write 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, right? So in C++, we have to write a simple algorithm to do it. So we will use for loop, and then we take a factorial, and we have to take a variable named factorial and multiply it with I, and then I initialize the value of factorial with 1. And what is value of I? It will be this. What will be? Okay. Now, what is factorial value? It is 1. And tell me what is I value? It is 1. So 1 times 1, it will be 1. So it is our new factorial value. Okay. Now we will run the loop for second time. Now second time factorial value will be 1. Okay. Now factorial is equals to factorial and multiply I with I. So factorial is equals to, what is the value of factorial? See the last value of factorial, it is 1, and multiply by I. What is the value of I? It is 2, and 2 1 ja 2. So now in our third time our factorial value will be 2. Now let's do it for factorial I and factorial. Now tell me what is the value of factorial? It is 2. Okay, and multiply by I. So what is the value of I? It is 3. Okay, so 2 3 is 6. Now in fourth time our value is 6. Okay, now factorial multiply by I. So tell me what is factorial value? It is 6, and multiply by I, which is 4. Okay, it will be 24. And if we do it manually, 4 times 3 to 2 to 1, it will be 24. Same. Okay, and we can do the same for factorial 5. 5 4 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. Okay, it will be 120, right? So we will do it. So we will use the algorithm. Let's do it practically. Now open C++ and so include iostream.h, and then include conio.h, and into main I'm gonna write my program. So first of all I'm gonna clear my screen. If there is a output from my previous program, I'm gonna clear it, and then int I 1, and then assign int and assign long factorial 1. Let me explain it. So here int I is for loop, and assign int and is for getting input from user, which will be positive. Assign long factorial 1, because our factorial can be a large number, so here we use long factorial. Okay, after that we will print a message, enter integer, and we will get input from user. Okay, and then for loop I less than equal n, and then plus plus I. So here I use pre-increment. So what is pre-increment? It is increment i's value before the operation. Okay, and in post increment, it increment the value after the operation is over. Okay, so here I write factorial because of factorial multiply by I. Okay, simple, and then we will print the message. Factorial is factorial. Okay, and then get ch to hold the screen, then return 0. Okay, so this is a program. Let's run it. Enter integer 9, factorial is 36. Here is our factorial, now 12. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you now get it how to write a program for calculating factorial. Okay, if you learned something new, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you still have some doubt, you can ask me in comment section, or you can DM me at my Facebook on Insta. You can find the source code, link in the description. Okay, thanks for watching.